guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make aesthetic wallpaper. These wallpapers will be down in the description box below, so make sure you download those. There are 4 stages of this video. The first one is collage. You will be needing the apps Canva and Pexels. So this first thing you want to do is open up these 2 tabs, one Canva and one Pexels. So you want to go to create, design and custom dimensions. Now because I've done this before, mine's already there, but if you didn't know yours, you can just type in your device and resolution, and you should find it there after Pexels. Once you've got your dimensions, click create design, then we can get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up Pexels again and choose your image. Your image should be based on the theme that you've chosen to do. So for mine, I'm doing a pastel theme. You'll also notice in Canva that if you're trying to use your mouse to do copy and pasting, it won't let you, so you have to use the shortcuts Ctrl-V and Ctrl-C. Once you've got your images, you can place it wherever you like, and you're going to find similar images related to your theme. Make sure you place them in different places so they don't all look too similar. I'm using Pexels because it is a copyright-free website, which means that the images that you use can be reused again. I like to use effects when my images don't match the theme accurately. You can change the intensity of which effect that you like, and I like to use the whimsical one because it makes the image more bright. You can also change the angle and position of your image. In the top left corner, click on the rainbow box and then new colour. Then you can adjust to what colour you want. Try to get the colour matching your theme. Then I'm just adding the finishing touches for my design. I'm adding the last images that need to go in, and I'm rearranging everything to make sure that there's no gaps and spaces between my collage. So when you finish your design, go ahead and click the publish button and the download button twice, and then you're done. Like I said before, there will be 4 wallpapers located down below in the description box, so make sure you go download those, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video, which will be how to personalize your Mac. Thank you guys, bye!